It's time we beat this. So we're gonna throw in luck again. And let's see if we can win. This one's all the running, flying, swimming, climbing, jumping, and energy is all this. Because like just get them all at once. What happens if I lose? I just have to keep going. So what lose? Shoes catching the money. It's better than climbing. Which we covered in climbing. Spider-Man, but it doesn't have wings. Okay. Last one. Here we go, Ludwig. Just trying to fitness last match. Is there gonna be swimming this week? There's water walking waves. Swimming a lot harder than that. You'll probably turn into a rotisserie chicken butt. Screenshot of that because that would just look so cool. Okay, so this one I think is actually cool. Okay, yeah, I am. I basically have to beat it before the B says. Okay, see, this can get very intense. That was actually so much easier than I thought it was. Alright, I'm gonna buy the crown. Yes. I've beaten all of them. And he's the champion. So we can start with the crown. I'm gonna see, does he actually do anything? Like, does he actually move? Oh, okay, he does. I'm gonna just take the chance. He has a freaking chance. It's just fun. Yikes. Should I? Wait, I'm gonna use my other guy. This guy go like fast. Okay. Let's just destroy him real quick. I'm gonna use use this guy. See if I can. Come on. Catch up, bro. But that's not cool. If I'm not hitting the entire time, I'm just giving a chance to beat me, right? Come on. Give yourself a chance, bro. You know, you can do it. I'm not giving him a head start now. I didn't know you can jump on him. You get like super speed boost jump. What the heck, I jumped so far. I'm just gonna smoke it. Leave him in your dust. Okay, come on. It's the stupid fireballs that get me every single time, I swear. Let the fireball go back. Why didn't I jump for him? What? Come on, human beings. We got this. What? Why do I see so much up here? He's still coming, dude. Here we go.
No, I'm screaming for you. Why are you doing this?
Cause.
No one's going to watch someone play a game that they can play for free.
You better be doing that. It makes them all look some point in time. $163.